Hello guys, welcome back. I know it has been a long time since I uploaded a video, so I'm trying to start it again. So please show some love and affection here. So today we're gonna be solving a lab which is modifying serialized objects from Portswigger. So let's get started. So as you can see, I've opened the lab. I've accessed the lab over here, and here it is. And what we need to do is, this says that this lab is a serialized based mechanism system which is vulnerable to privilege escalation. And to solve this, we need to edit the serialized object in the session cookie to exploit this vulnerability and gain admin privileges. And then we need to delete the user Carlos. All right, so let's get started. So I can see this lab exists and they have given us the credentials Wiener and Peter. So firstly, I'll go and log in with the name Wiener and Peter. So once I'm logged in, I might have received some cookies. All right. So I'm gonna set up my burp suite. As you can see here, my burp suite is ready, and I'm gonna, let's say, update my email to any random value. So as you can see, whenever I'm updating an email, my session cookie is going along with it. So let me send that to the repeater and analyze this a bit further. All right. So in this request, you can see the cookie seems to be, I can like see that it's a base64 enable, like it's basically the result was in base64, and if I decode it via base64, then I'll get some kind of value. All right, so here I can see this value. Now I know that as per the instructions, plus even if we see something like this in general, it would be good to try to modify this. All right, and if I modify this, I need to then check what the results are. So firstly, here, as you can see, this is O4. That means you can see there is a username, which is of 8 characters. And then there is this word Wiener, which is of 6 characters. Then there is this word admin, which is of 5 characters. And these are for string. That's what this is S. All right. And then there is a Boolean value B, which is 0 or 1. Okay. So basically, this username is Wiener, is what they want to say. And the value of admin is boolean, like 0 or 1. This is how it is. So if I set this to 1, that it means that I'm saying that admin is 1 rather than admin is 0. And this is an user object. Okay. As you can see, this is 4 because the user has 4 letters. This is 2 because it has like two of them, like two parameters. One is username, other one is admin. Okay, username equal to winner and admin is equal to either 0 or 1. Why? Because it's a B. B stands for Boolean. Okay, so I'm gonna encode this with base64. Okay, encode as base64, and then I'm gonna copy this and maybe send this to the repeater. Okay, but one thing which I want to do is I want to actually change the cookie itself. Like I want it to be done for every request. So I'm going to the inspector tab and then I'll go to the storage and maybe try finding out where the cookie is kept. Okay, so let me see the value for this. Is this the same thing as we saw? TZ, yep, as you can see, this is the same thing. This is a cookie. As you can see, there is this cookie value, which is the same one we are getting here. So if we modify it from here, it will be modified for everything. So I went to decoder, I copied this, and now I'm modifying it in here. Okay, and then I'll press enter and it will be saved. So let me refresh once. So now what happened is now I am the admin because you can see this thing was not available before, which I can see now. And if I intercept any request right now, you will see that the new updated cookies will go. So we need to delete Carlos in this. So basically the mechanism which is it is saying is that if the user basically it's getting the cookie, unserializing it, and checking if that value of is admin, which we just modified, right? We just changed it to 0 or 1 in the decoder tab. This 0 or 1, this is what it's checking. Okay, so I'll finally go and delete Carlos. And this is the updated cookie which we made. And once I do this, the lab is solved. And I will try and update more videos. And thank you so much for the love and support. See ya. Bye bye.